Hi, good morning children. Today we are going to learn the second lesson. One poem in one lesson and another poem, two poems in one lesson is over. Now this is the second lesson. What is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is I want. I want. What do I want? What do you want? I want to eat chicken biryani today. Otherwise I want something. What do you want? Now this is the lesson of about a monkey. What does monkey want? What does monkey want? I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. What monkey said? I want to be big and I want to be strong. A wise woman hears him. Take this magic wand, she said, and all your wishes can come true. The magic woman came and gave some wand. Wand means it's like a stick. If you take this, your all wishes will come true. Now monkey is going to take the wand and make all the monkey's wishes come true. What are those wishes? What is that? Let's see. A giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. I want a long neck, says the little monkey. What little monkey want? Little monkey want a long neck. Long neck like giraffe. Long neck like giraffe. Long neck like giraffe. Next, a little monkey is happy. An elephant comes down to the river. He fills his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself. I want to do that too, says little monkey. Bang. That means our monkey wants to do that. That means monkey wants trunk. What is the trunk? Who has a trunk? Elephant has a trunk. Even the monkey also wants the trunk. Now our monkey wants the trunk. First, what monkey wanted? Monkey wanted the long neck. Next, trunk. After that, what he is going to ask? Let's see. Just like that, he grew a trunk. Now monkey has long neck and monkey has trunk. He is very happy. This is fun, he says. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. Little monkey sees a zebra. Zebra has, I want stripes like those, he says. Little monkey has strips all over his body, just like the zebra. Now, the little monkey got long neck and stripes. Stripes, long neck, trunk and stripes. And stripes. He is very happy. He goes to the river, he tries out his new trunk and he looks down. He sees himself in the water. He got trunk, he got long neck and he got stripes. Now he is going to try whether they are going to work or not. First of all, he wants to check the trunk. He wants to play with the water with the trunk. He goes to the water. He sees himself. Mother, he cries, help, a monster. Help, a monster. That is not a monster, says the mother. Now monkey is not looking like a monkey. Now monkey is looking like a different animal with a long neck, stripes and the trunk. It's looking like a monster. And mother said, no, it is not a monster. It is just you. You want the trunk, you want the stripes and you want the long neck. Now see how you are looking. You are looking awful. Awful means not good at all. It's very bad. Looking very ugly. That's you. You want a giraffe's neck, elephant's trunk, and stripes like a zebra. Don't you remember? Little monkey cries and cries. I look awful, he says. I want to be myself again. Again, monkey wanted to be himself. There is a pop, bang and a whiz. Pop means the sound of we have three animals here which we have seen. One is giraffe. One is giraffe. Second one is elephant. Elephant. And next one is stripes like zebra. Giraffe. The monkey wants to be like a giraffe, elephant and zebra. And I look awful. Awful means ugly. He says, I want to be myself again. There is a pop. Giraffe makes the sound of pop. Bang. Elephants and zebra. These are the sounds made by these animals. Little monkey is himself again and he jumps for joy. He is very happy that he is himself again. And he throws the magic wand into the water. He never wanted to be anyone else again. Now he is very happy. First of all, he was very sad that he is looking very dirty, very ugly. Now he is very happy. He has thrown that wand in the water and he jumps with joy. And what did you learn from this lesson? We should not wish like others. We are special to ourselves. We should be happy with whatever we have. Understand? Okay, fine. Have you all understood this lesson? A monkey wants to be strong. A woman sees, hears and gives the magic wand. With the magic wand, he gets the long neck like zebra, trunk like elephant, stripes like long neck giraffe, trunk like elephant and stripes like zebra. He was, first of all, while getting all those things, he was very happy. After seeing himself in the water, he felt like monster has come. He is not at all happy at the time. Afterwards, when he got himself, when he was himself, then he was very happy and he shouted like with joy. Why? We should be happy with what we want. We should not feel every time that like I want to be like him, I want to be like her. No, we should not feel. We should be happy and with what we have. Okay. I hope you have understood the lesson. You try to do the grammar part also. Afterwards, I will reveal the answers. You can check it. Otherwise, I may reveal the answers in a video, or I will send you the pics. You can do. I hope you have understood the lesson, right? Now you can do yourself. These are very easy. Try to do yourself the textbook part, grammar part. Okay. Have you all bought the textbooks? If not, you have to buy, because with the CW, how much can you learn? In unit test also, you are not going to get everything from the CW. You will get something from the CW and something from the textbook also. And that's why buy the textbook as much early as possible. Understand? In 24 hours, spare at least 2 hours every day to learn each subject. You have 7 days. Take Monday for some subject, Tuesday for another subject, and spare 2 hours to learn, not for completing the works, to learn. Understand? I want my children to get good marks and to be happy at every time. Don't postpone the work. Do the time in time if possible, otherwise at least on time. I hope you have understood the lesson, and by this we have completed the syllabus for unit test. Unit test, 2 poems and the 2 lessons. You start studying, start learning the poems and the lessons. CW and the textbook only. Understand? Bye bye. Be happy.